This video will show replacement of an AP chain disc corner with Slat's Easy Clean corner. Safety PPE is recommended. Unplug the power source first. Remove the cover of the chain disc system. Loosen the nut holding tension on the tensioner handle and remove the tensioner spring from the unit. Manually slide the rail to release any remaining tension on the chain. Using a 1/2-inch socket or wrench, remove the nuts from the bottom of the AP corner to be replaced. Now remove the nuts from the top of the AP corner. 2 3/4-inch wrenches can be used to remove the center bolt. A screwdriver may be needed to separate the top portions of the AP corner. Pull the chain down and lift the top portion of the corner off. Notice the size difference between the AP corner and the Slat corner. A tapered plastic adapter must be used for PVC pipe. 1 inch of pipe must be cut from both original pipes. The adapter only goes on the output side of the PVC corner, with the tapered thinner side facing the corner. Grind the chain in two. Use pliers to remove the remaining cut chain links from the chain. Be careful of hot chain links. Use a drill to remove the plastic from the chain to allow the chain coupler to fit into the link. Install the grow disc chain coupler to one side. Mark the pipe to be cut 1 inch from the end of both feed pipes. Tape may be used to help guide a straight cut. Cut the pipe along the tape line with a grinder or saw, being careful not to cut the chain. Clean up the burrs on the edge of the pipe. Begin to install the Easy Clean corner by placing the bottom portion against the pipe and fasten the black coupler over the top to hold in place. Once the bottom portion is secure, install the plastic adapter over the chain on the output side, with the narrow portion of the adapter facing the corner. Finish connecting the other side of the chain to the coupler. Apply tape over the coupler to prevent the chain from separating if it becomes slack. At the drive unit, apply some tension to the chain by sliding the rail. Finish installing the top of the corner. Tighten the center bolt with a 3/4-inch wrench and securely tighten all the fasteners on the corner unit. Adjust the height of the unit and secure the chain in the sealant. Apply tension to the unit by securing the tensioner spring in place. Check the safety switch and reset if needed by pushing the blue button. Power on the unit and check the operation. If operating correctly, you may reinstall the unit cover with the power off.